In this video, we'll show you how to install and set up your MTronic motion and light sensor. First, flip the sensor over, slide open the compartment and insert two AA batteries. Then apply the adhesive tape and stick the sensor to the ceiling. For added safety, you can also use the included mounting bracket. Just secure it with the two screws provided and lock the motion LED sensor over it. That's it. Installation is complete. Now let's move on to provisioning. Open the MTronic app, tap the plus icon and then select device. From the device list, expand the sensors section and select motion sensor. Tap pair to start the pairing process. In just a few seconds, the pairing will be complete. Once paired, tap next. Enter name for your motion and light sensor. If you've already set up rooms in the app, you can assign the sensor to a room. If not, then continue and tap save. Wait a few moments and your motion and light sensor will be ready to use. Now you can start creating automations and scenes. Enjoy your MTronic sensor and feel free to reach out if you need any assistance.